Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I show how to design of business card using Adobe Photoshop step by step even if you are beginner. First, open Photoshop. Go to File, New. Now, change the unit from pixels to inches. Set the width to 3.5 inches and the height to 2 inches, that's the standard size of a business card. Change the resolution to 300 pixels per inch to ensure high print quality. Set the color mode to RGB and click Create. Next, go to File, Place Embedded and choose your background image. It'll be placed directly on the canvas. Adjust the scale to fit the canvas nicely. Now, reduce the opacity to around 68% to give it a soft look. Once again, go to File, Place Embedded, and this time select your company logo. Adjust the size and position to where you want it on the card. Keep it clean and centered or aligned to your layout. Press Ctrl+R to bring up the rulers. Use them to place guidelines for better alignment. Now, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape where you want to highlight content. Lower its opacity to 61% to blend it with the background. Now let's add some text. Select the text tool and type your company name. Change the font to something professional and clean. To make a duplicate, press Ctrl+J. This is helpful if you want variations or shadows. Change the font to something professional and clean. Position your text where it looks best, and that's it. This is your front side of the business card. If you've already set your interface, go ahead and click Create New. Next, go to File, Place Embedded, and select the background image you want to use. Adjust the scale to fit the canvas, and then decrease the opacity to around 68% or less depending on your design preference. Now, go to View, New Guide Layout. Set all the margins to 30px, top, left, bottom, and right. Then click OK. Select the rectangle tool, go to the top bar, click on Fill, and choose your desired color. You can also click on Stroke and reduce it or set it to 0 if you don't want any stroke. Select the text tool, T, and type in your company name, tagline, or any other details. Import icon. If you're happy with the background placement, you can lock the layer by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+. This prevents accidental movement while editing. You can duplicate the text by pressing Ctrl+J and modify the copied text to add more info like position, name, or department. Text on right side, manager name or anything, and etc. to File, place Embedded again and import icons like call, email, and Instagram. Scale and place them neatly wherever you like, typically in the bottom left or top right. Next to each icon. Use the text tool to add your phone number, email ID, and Instagram handle. At the bottom or on the right side, add your company name again and the location if you want. This adds a finishing touch and makes the card complete. Double-check the alignment using the guides. Make sure everything looks neat and well spaced.